I just can't believe where I am standing right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another blog. So you must have seen my previous blog where I discussed about my journey and my flight experience from New Delhi to New York. And in this blog, we will be talking about everything about New York. So what I saw in New York, what are the places that I visited, everything will be there in this blog. Stay tuned and I will show you all the places, amazing places in New York. So first let's start from the Brooklyn Bridge, the famous Brooklyn Bridge. Over 27 million people walk across the Brooklyn Bridge every year on foot, bike and vehicle. Hello everyone. So today is the time to explore New York. अभी मैं Holiday Inn hotel से निकली हूँ. I was staying in Brooklyn, so from here the Brooklyn Bridge is just 20 minutes by walk. So let's explore that. You can only cross if there is this white pedestrian signal. You just have to keep walking. So this bridge has started. And so the beauty of this bridge is there is this pedestrian way. This way you can see the vehicles are moving. So you just have to keep walking, and this is the view you're going to have. What an iconic view. So this bridge connects Manhattan and Brooklyn, and from here you can enjoy the scenic beauty of New York City. You can see people can walk and can drive on this bridge, and you can also enjoy the view of Hudson River from here. I just can't believe where I am standing right now. So this is the Brooklyn Bridge. So next we will go on a cruise ride for Statue of Liberty. Is it a boat ride or cruise ride? Let me check. So I came from here, and while going back we have to take the first exit from there, and that's the way that will lead to the next destination.
I hesitate.
Keep on walking towards the river. Then is the time to hop on to New York Ferry, and honestly it's a few minutes ride, but it's worth all the minutes. And I purchased a ticket. It was around $4, and the view was just amazing. It was just chef's kiss. The vibes. We were there on the bridge, and now we are here on our way towards Statue of Liberty. I'll take a cruise ride.
East River Route to East 34th Street, ER.
Now I'm standing in this queue, waiting for my turn to get into this ferry, and from there I'll go to 9/11 Memorial, and then I'll see for Statue of Liberty. Sorry, wait. If you would be able to hear my voice, thanks to Holyland. You can see behind me is the helicopter landing site. You can download the New York City app. And Indians can be found all over the world.
Just to keep your stops for some time if you are like traveling somewhere for a vacation for 2 or 4 months, then you can save your rent. And these are very cheap, like $100 a month, so you can save a lot of money. Like if your rent is $2,000, you just pay $100 for a month.
And this one?
And this U-Haul is a truck you can rent for $20 a day, and you can shift all your things. And yeah, it's very convenient.
Guys, if you ever come to New York City, I would request that you please come to visit 9/11 Memorial. Stand there for a while because this place deserves your respect and silence. And right next to it, there is One World Trade Center, and the view is just breathtaking. Then let's talk about the Oculus. So this white building that you're looking at the screen, its official name is World Trade Center Transportation Hub. The roof opened each year on 11th September, exactly at 10:28 a.m., the moment when the North Tower fell, so that the sunlight can flood in the interior. It's 10:30 in the night and I'm still exploring this New York City. This city never sleeps. And then is the time to wander into Dumbo, which stands for Down Under the Manhattan Bridge Overpass. It's the most Instagrammable spot in New York. Now let's talk about my experience in Times Square. Check out my videos in the shorts. I made my way uptown and honestly nothing can prepare you for this place. The billboards are massive, the energy is electric. Music, dance, you can feel around it, and I'll show you the people I saw dancing. Copyright की वजह से I'm removing the music, but the dance was so good. जो हम movies में देखते थे, and I witnessed it live, and it was so good watching people dancing over there. It was so vibrant, it was so energetic. I feel like I belong to this place.
From manifesting and watching New York in movies and finally watching live, everything still feels like it.
It's approximately 50 million visitors per year, which makes it the most visiting place on this planet. with you the most exciting thing that I experienced in New York, and I am in love with this experience. Have you seen a tunnel under the water? Like I went to Kerala early this year. I have seen water metro there. मुझे लगा मेट्रो पानी के अंदर चल रही है, but it was not the case. It was running over the water. And this time what I witnessed was beyond imagination. Like there's a tunnel under the water. I mean, I was thinking कैसे बनाई होगी ये tunnel? Like how a tunnel under the water, under the river. So this tunnel is called Lincoln Tunnel, and it connects Manhattan with New Jersey. I love that experience. And you know what? Manhattan has over 245 miles of this subway tunnel. I'm saying it in miles because in US you will see only miles, no kilometers. Explore New York. We would be visiting Empire State Building and some other places. And if you want to experience a breathtaking view of Empire State Building, then go visit 235th Rooftop Bar and just visit this place in the night. Then you will be in love with that view. This provision that they provide you blanket to cover you, but it was super windy over there, and it's so good to see the Empire State Building right in front of your eyes with the night view, and you can take amazing pictures over there. Hotel is good. Holiday Inn Express, Manhattan. So guys, that's a view of New York City from here. If you can see right there, that's the edge. Let's see if I can go there today. And you can see that H&M over there. One sec, let me see. I also visited the Vessel. It's like a honeycomb structure, and with 154 interconnected staircase and 2500 steps. It looks like a giant copper beehive designed by the futuristic civilization. Even just seeing it from the outside is worth it for the photos, and you can have good photos over there. That's the edge. People go there and click pictures. It's $45. I didn't go, but you can try if you come here. I also visited the Grand Central Terminal. You have to stop to look at the ceilings. And right inside there is Magnolia Bakery. Just try their banana pudding. So now today I have come here to upgrade my phone to Apple 17 Pro. Then is the time for Starship New York Ferry, and it's a 90-minute ferry. I came to know that you can also visit this for free, but I booked it through Groupon, and you can download their app and you can book whatever the ferry you want to take. Is it you want to take it for 60 minutes or 90 minutes, and they have their different packages. You just have to download their app and you can select which package you want to buy. So I bought my tickets from the Groupon and with Starship. So the experience with the Starship New York Ferry was super good. It rains anytime in New York.
These high rises, 90% of these high rises in Jersey City have blown up in the last 10 years. 90% of them. And you have a giant head. Look at that giant white head. See the white head? That giant head?
It's the giant white head.
Made of fiberglass, a piece of art. It was done by a Spaniard, a Spanish architect named Joaquin.
It was done by Spanish architect. This is what the guide is saying. And the guide is still guiding. And I just want to see Statue of Liberty. It's raining too much. It's about to come. And now we are approaching the world famous Statue of Liberty. Do like this video. It's quite rainy. So now we are heading towards the world famous Statue of Liberty. And it's raining here. For this ride we have paid $24 and इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर देना गाइस. बहुत बारिश हो रही है यहाँ पे. This statue was gifted by France to US and its original color was copper, but now you can see the color is green because copper changes its color. Oh, it's very cold. I can't. People are trying to take pictures, but still, it's quite cold. Is it? The world famous Statue of Liberty. It was brought to US in 350 pieces. I can't believe I'm watching it live. Ooh. In this rainy weather. So this is the entry to Manhattan and all the big buildings are here. The One World Trade Center, 9/11 Memorial. So you can see that's the Brooklyn Bridge. Here's Manhattan. So this bridge connects Manhattan to Brooklyn. That's the Empire State Building and this one. And that's the edge. People click pictures over there. It's the luxury apartment in New York. Luxury apartment building. Guys, that's the Brooklyn Bridge and this one is Manhattan Bridge. Guys, न्यू यॉर्क में हो रही है बारिश और यहाँ पे रेनकोट को बोलते हैं पोंचो. So I'm going to wear this now. In this ferry, you can enjoy the entire skyline of Manhattan. You can see World Trade Center. You can see the Statue of Liberty. You can visit all the Manhattan. You can see Dumbo. You can see lot of places from this ferry and the Hudson River. It's amazing experience. New York City never runs out of things to give you. So it was whole lot a very good experience. It was a very different experience. I found the city very exciting, the city that never sleeps. So New York was exactly the same. Tell me which spot you like the most in the New York City in the comment section. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Your love and support does matter to me. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog. And this shirt I have bought from New York. Let me know in the comment section if you like it. Our next vlog is going to be about Miami experience. So stay tuned and you will love Miami vibes. See you in the next video.